The best 15 foods for vitamin K. 1. Kale. Kale is the vitamin K king. It's known as one of the superfoods. Rightfully so, because it's also rich in calcium, potassium, and folate, among other vitamins and minerals. 2. Collard greens. 530 micrograms per 1/2 cup, boiled. In addition to its role in clotting, vitamin K helps in bone growth. Some studies' trusted source have also linked low vitamin K intake to the development of osteoporosis, which results in fragile bones that can break easily. To get a healthy dose, try out this vegetarian collard greens recipe. 3. Spinach. 444 micrograms per 1/2 cup, cooked. Spinach is filled with all sorts of nutritional goodness, including vitamins A, E and E, plus magnesium, folate, and iron. A half cup of cooked spinach contains about 3 times as much vitamin K as a cup of raw spinach does, but one raw serving is still plenty for one day. 4. Turnip greens. 425 micrograms per 1/2 cup, cooked. Turnip greens are used in popular side dishes in the southeastern United States. Turnip greens are also high in calcium, which helps strengthen bones. Mustard greens and beet greens also contain high levels of vitamin K. The bulbous part of the turnip that grows underground is nutritious. 5. Brussels sprouts. 150 micrograms per 1/2 cup, cooked. Kids may not love the idea of Brussels sprouts, but many recipes can make them taste really good. Give this crispy garlic Brussels sprouts with sriracha aioli recipe a try. 6. Broccoli. 85 micrograms per 1/2 cup, cooked. There are all sorts of ways to prepare broccoli. Whatever your recipe, try cooking it with canola oil or olive oil, not only to add flavor but to boost the vitamin K content as well. A tablespoon of either contains about 10 micrograms of vitamin K. 7. Asparagus. 72 micrograms per 1/2 cup, 4 spears of asparagus packs about 40 micrograms of vitamin K. Add a little olive oil and you're up to about half of an adequate daily intake. Keep in mind that eating a lot of vitamin K-rich food in one day won't do good for an extended period. The body doesn't absorb much vitamin K from foods and flushes it out pretty quickly. 8. Lettuce. 60 micrograms per serving, 1/2 head of iceberg or 1 cup of romaine. Lettuce is probably the most popular source of vitamin K in American diets. It's available at salad bars and grocery stores across the country in different varieties, including iceberg, romaine, green leaf, and Bibb. 9. Sauerkraut. 56 micrograms per 1/2 cup. Pile your hot dog or sausage high with sauerkraut. You'll get a nice punch of protein, too. Sauerkraut is readily available at many local eateries or chains. 10. Soybeans. 43 micrograms per 1/2 cup, roasted. There are 2 main kinds of vitamin K, known as vitamin K-1, phylloquinone, and K2, menaquinones. K1 comes from plants, while K2 exists as smaller amounts in animal-based foods and fermented foods, such as cheese. Soybeans and soybean oil contain more of the K2 kind as well. 11. Edamame. 25 micrograms per 1/2 cup, boiled. Edamame is popular in Japanese cuisine. It's simply soybeans that come in pods. They make for a nice, crunchy snack when you add some light salt and pepper. 12. Pickles. 25 micrograms per cucumber dill or kosher dill pickle. Pickles contain nearly 0 calories, 5 in a kosher pickle, making it another very healthy and crunchy way to get a vitamin K fill. The human body actually produces some vitamin K-2 by itself, but we need more from food to reach proper levels. 13. Pumpkin. 20 micrograms per 1/2 cup canned. Save this one for the fall weather and Halloween. Check out these 50 recipe ideas for canned pumpkin, from soup to overnight oats. 14. Pine nuts. 15 micrograms per ounce. Pine nuts work well in salads to add some crunch. If you're not in the mood for a salad, give another nut a try. 1 ounce of dry roasted cashews contains 10 micrograms of vitamin K. 15. Blueberries. The blueberry is a very popular berry. It is low in calories but high in fiber, vitamin C and vitamin K. Blueberries have the highest antioxidant capacity of all the popular fruits and vegetables. Flavonoids appear to be the berry's antioxidant with the greatest impact. Vitamin K is a necessary nutrient. It helps build and maintain healthy bones. The vitamin's biggest claim to fame is its role in helping blood clotting, known as coagulation. In fact, the K comes from the German word for blood clotting, coagulation. Leafy green vegetables contain the highest amounts of vitamin K, but there are many other good sources. On average, adult women need 90 micrograms mcg of vitamin K per day, and adult men need 120 micrograms. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep you updated for our next videos. Thank you for watching.